This baby was struck by lightning before it was even born. Kendra Villanueva, soon-to-be mother, was sitting outside with her boyfriend, Ian Gordon, when a lightning storm started. Before they could make it inside, they were struck by a bolt of lightning. The bolt ran through Villanueva's and her boyfriend's body, rendering both of them unconscious. However, Villanueva was pregnant, so doctors had to perform an emergency C-section in order to save the baby. Miraculously, the baby, Kimberly Gordon, survived and was dubbed Flash Gordon.